So guys, we are into the trade now and let's wait for our target to reach. Okay, so it will take some time. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 30th of July and the time is almost 9:12 now. So before we see our pre-open market, so let's see how the SGX Nifty has opened today. So SGX Nifty is now trading at 0.40% down. So I think at the opening the market might go down and then it will come up, I guess, but we'll see how the market will perform. So now let's see how the and Nifty 50 has opened. So Nifty 50 has opened at 0.14% up at 15,800.60. Advanced stocks are 34, declines are 12, and unchanged are 4 stocks. So right now it looks bullish in the opening, but we'll see once the market opens how the stocks goes will be performing. Okay, so now let's say the stock which is opening the most gap up section, that is TechM with 5% up and Power Grid with 0.99% up. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is SBI Life with 0.52% down and Grasim with 0.45% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stocks and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. So guys, right now I'm planning to buy Tata Motors in the market level around limit level on 296.70. Yes, I just bought it now 296.70. So we have bought it around 296.70 and let's wait for the stock to go up now. So guys, if you guys can see here in the first 5 minutes candle, the candle looked very bullish. It's a very big green candle with a strong movement and with a strong volume. So that's the reason why I decided to take a buy entry on once crossing the first 5 minutes candle high. So it was around 266, 276.55 something. So once it crossed, we took an entry. Okay, so that's the main reason why I took an entry on Tata Motors. So now let's wait for the stock to come up. So we are still holding the buy position on the Tata Motors and aiming for at least 1% of target on Tata Motors. Okay, which will be almost 2 rupees. So we'll see. So guys, yes, I managed to take my exit now. I booked almost 1% of a target, like 2 rupees I booked almost. Okay, so it was going up. So the high what it has made right now is 298.80. So I just managed to take my exit around there, and this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's date of Tata Motors. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join us too. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I will see you in the next one very soon.